The atmosphere is electric this year at Geneva. The hottest trend is for hypercars powered by electric motors, like Croatia's Rimac Concept 2. Top speed, 412 kilometers per hour, and
incredible acceleration, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 1.97 seconds.
The electric trend is influencing all kinds of manufacturers. British heritage marque Morgan was showing off this, the electric three-wheeler EV3. You can't really get much more traditional than Morgan, but you're making an electric car. Can you explain?
That's quite right. Any company today, especially in the automotive world, can't ignore electrification. It's happening at a global scale. We need to be thinking about what we're doing to our planet, obviously. So it's something very important for Morgan to consider.
The mainstream manufacturers are moving in the same direction, with Jaguar becoming the first to release an all-electric SUV, the I-Pace, a vehicle which will compete with Tesla's Model X. Without the architecture of a traditional engine to work around, the designers say they can give more space to the occupants.
So the battery's in the lower half, it's got electric motor front and rear, concentric with the axle to front and rear wheel drive. And really above that, we've got an inverter, we've got a charger, but apart from that, we've got all the freedom in the world to design what we want.
Electric vehicles are obviously very much the trend this year, but the other thing you see an awful lot of are these kinds of sustainable mobility concepts where people travel together and don't even have to steer. This particular creation is from Renault, a machine designed to cut down on urban congestion.
The Renault EasyGo is our vision for urban mobility of the future, which is a service, it's a shared vehicle. It's a vehicle that you don't own anymore. It is driverless, no steering wheel, and it can actually find its way itself through the city through an app.
This talk of autonomy and electrification comes as the car industry continues to sit under a pall of diesel fumes after a series of emission scandals. Toyota announced at Geneva that it will stop selling diesel cars in Europe. Meanwhile, at Peugeot, which was showing off its new 508, the view is more nuanced, offering the clients whatever they prefer.